What happens to an object falling into a black hole? A black hole is a volume of space so dense with a strong gravitational force that nothing, not even light, can escape it. This astonishing idea was first conceived by John Michell, an English priest, while considering a hypothetical method of determining the mass of a star. When John Michell imagined black holes in 1783, very few scientists were mentally prepared to understand what he was talking about. So, it's not surprising that this concept fell into complete obscurity and had to be rediscovered in the 20th century. But to answer our first sentence, the gravitation of black holes makes them very attractive because the gravitational pull of a black hole is produced by a large volume that has collapsed at the time of its creation and has caused the formation of a point with a lot of density in a tiny space. A black hole is formed when a massive star, which is tens of times larger than our star, reaches the end of its life and finally collapses and condenses its volume into an extremely small area. This body that forms after the death of these massive stars is called a black hole, and its gravity does not allow anything to escape. The gravity of these objects is so strong that if you want to go near the event horizon, you will reach a point from which there is no return. At the same time, the gravity of the black hole will pull on each particle of your body with a different force. That is, if you approach the black hole with your feet, first the atoms of your feet, then your body, and then your head will be pulled toward the black hole and fall apart. This process is called spaghettification. Now the question is there anything able to escape the gravitational pull of a black hole? The theories were based on the fact that nothing can escape the gravitational pull of a black hole, which means black holes were considered one-way doors in the universe. However, in 1974, the great scientist named Stephen Hawking proposed a theory that states there is a wave, which later named as Hawking radiation, that can pass through the black hole, and this wave is a type of radiation that causes the black holes to shrink and finally collapse and destroy them. It is predicted that this black body wave may have been radiated from the black hole due to the quantum effect near the event horizon. Consequently, it should be said that black holes are open science topics that scientists are working on, so expressing an absolute opinion about them will be yet premature.